Forget everything you thought you knew about Apple's budget iPhone. The next one might finally feel like a modern iPhone. But it still comes with one big mistake. The iPhone 17e, Apple's affordable model for this year, is finally getting two major upgrades. And honestly, these changes fix the biggest complaints people had about the iPhone 16e, making this phone a lot harder to ignore. Last year, Apple replaced the small iPhone SE with the iPhone 16e. Yes, it had a fast chip, but the design felt outdated. There was a large notch, no MagSafe, and overall, it just didn't look like a modern iPhone. Tech reviewers weren't impressed, but here's the surprising part. Despite all that criticism, the phone sold extremely well worldwide. Most buyers didn't care about the design. They just wanted a more affordable iPhone that worked reliably. And now, Apple seems to be listening. According to new leaks coming out of China, the iPhone 17e is getting two big upgrades. First, the old notch is finally going away. It's being replaced by Dynamic Island. This isn't just about looks. It instantly makes the phone feel current, modern, and in line with the rest of Apple's lineup. Second, MagSafe is finally coming back. That means magnetic chargers, wallets, stands, and accessories will all work again. MagSafe has become standard on iPhones, and its absence on the 16e was a major letdown. There are also rumors of an improved front camera with center stage, which keeps you centered during video calls, perfect for FaceTime, Zoom, and family chats. So what's the bigger picture here? Apple isn't chasing spec wars. Instead, it's focusing on how the phone feels to use. Most people buying this phone don't care about extra cameras or cutting-edge display tech. They care about the phone looking modern and working like the iPhones they see in ads and in other people's hands. But now, let's talk about the big mistake. The iPhone 17e is still expected to ship with a 60Hz display. And at this point, Apple is one of the only brands still doing this. Even entry-level Android phones now offer 120Hz screens, which honestly makes Apple's decision look embarrassing. But here's the reality, Apple doesn't really care. The company has one of the most loyal user bases in tech. And because of that, the iPhone 17e will still sell extremely well, even with a 60Hz display. So here's the question for you. If you're buying a budget iPhone, what matters more, modern design or saving money? Let me know in the comments. The iPhone 17e is shaping up to be the budget iPhone that finally doesn't feel like a compromise. We'll keep watching for more leaks, so make sure you're subscribed for the next update. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.